Greetings 901 families. I'm Erin Lester with the SCS Family and Community Engagement Department. Our Summer Virtual Parent Institute is right around the corner. This conference-style learning event is designed to get you recharged for the 2021-22 school year. To register for the June 26th Parent Institute, visit us online at bit.ly/SCS Parent Institute 2021. This conference is being hosted in Whova, which is accessible on any smart device or computer. For families that will be joining us by smartphone or tablet, we encourage you to download the free Whova app for the best experience. Here are a few steps on how to sign in to Whova. Enter the email address you use for event registration, or you can use your social media account. Create a password and type in your name. Create and edit your profile. You can even upload a profile picture at the top left corner of the event home to network with other attendees and SCS families. Access your event page. Now you're ready to join the 2021 SCS Virtual Parent Institute on Whova. The app will take you to the event page automatically with your registration information. As a bonus, our early registrants will receive a free promo code via email to order breakfast or lunch during the conference. Uber Eats promo codes are valued at $25 and will be sent via email to registered families while supplies last. We look forward to you joining us. See you on the 26th.